Hello, welcome to UNGER. I'm Chem Techer, and today I'm going to show you the new nLITE water-fed telescopic pole system from UNGER. The nLITE pole system is exactly tailored to your needs, and I will introduce you to its unique features. I promise, nLITE will revolutionise your everyday work too. Let's go! The new nLITE pole system is currently offered in two high-quality carbon materials. This means that there is an optimal pole for every working height with a perfect balance between stiffness and weight. We recommend the carbon composite nLITE pole for cleaning up to 32 feet working height. The following four versions are available. The short 5-foot pole, optimal for ground level or from a working platform. A 2-section 10-foot pole for a working height of up to approximately 15 feet. A 4-section 20-foot pole reaches up to the first floor, i.e. approximately 24 feet, and a 6-section 28 feet, reaching up to the second floor. We recommend the carbon 24K nLITE pole for cleaning up to 52 feet working height. The following two versions are available. 4-section 20-foot pole that reaches up to the second floor. The 6-section 28-foot pole is designed as an extendable main pole. It reaches up to the third floor. It can be extended with up to 2-section 9.8 feet poles and then reaches the fifth floor at a height of 52 feet. With the nLITE pole system, nothing stays the same. What are you waiting for? Contact your dealer now or join our demo days and experience the clever features of nLITE yourself. P.S. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest feature and life hack videos on our new nLITE pole system on a regular basis.